Welcome into Escapable. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to escape the test case by using TestNG. So let's begin. Create new class inside the package and enter the class name. In this video, we will escape the test case with different methods. First method is escape test case by enabled attribute. Second method we will use escape test case by forcefully, and third escape test case by condition. So let's begin. Create test case and create test public void sign up. This is our first test case. Import test annotation system out println sign up test case skip. Add enabled attribute. Enabled is equal to false. False means this test case will be skipped. Add second test case at the rate test public void sign in. This is our second test case. Sign in test case skip. And third test case public void home and press something here. Home test case skip. If you use enabled is equal to false, then this test case will not execute. Now, we will escape the second test case by using forcefully escape. Throw new skip exception and enter the comment why you want to skip this test case. Import skip exception, skip test case by forcefully. In third scenario, we will skip the test case by some condition. Let's run this test cases. In this scenario, only one test case will be executed. Home test case skip. Now, we will see how to skip the test case by using some condition. Boolean. For example, if data is not available and you want to skip this test case, you can easily skip the test case by using some condition. Data is equal to false. Now, we will add few condition here. If data is equal to true, then execute the test case. Execute test case. Else, skip the test case. Skip test case. Change the text here. Skip test case by condition. In else condition, we need to add the throw new skip exception and enter the comment here. Skip test case due to data. Let's run this test case. In this scenario, only one test case will be executed. Here, we enter the value false. Due to this value, this test case execute. Set the value is equal to true. In this scenario, only one test case will be executed. Here you can view only one test case is executed. If you do not want to execute this test case, set the value is equal to false. In this scenario, all test cases will be skipped. Here you can view skip our sign-in test case, and second, skip home test case. Skip home test case. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK1. Thanks for watching.